Dear esteemed members of the Coimbra Group, it is a great pleasure for the University of Turku and Åbo Academy University to invite you all to the beautiful, multicultural and historic city of Turku for the 2024 Coimbra Group Annual Conference.
As the oldest city of Finland and the former capital of the country, Turku has always had a special place among Finnish cities. Throughout its history, the city has been Finland's gateway to the world. For nearly 800 years, science, culture, innovations and various important movements have found their way through Finland through Turku. Similarly, the city has exported ideas and expertise to the rest of the world.
The contributions of Åbo Academy University and the University of Turku to education, research, innovations and stakeholder engagement have been instrumental in the success of the city of Turku. Our universities have actively joined forces with other higher education institutions and stakeholders to establish multidisciplinary collaboration platforms such as the Turku Bioscience Center, Tech Campus Turku, Health Campus Turku and Culture Campus Turku.
Collaborations such as these have enabled us to stay at the frontiers of research and new knowledge creation, while also facilitating interactions between different stakeholders. Turku's rich and vibrant academic history is marked by a strong commitment to education and research, which has contributed to the city's development as a hub of innovations and ideas.
While research enables the generation of new knowledge, education helps to disseminate that knowledge further. By combining the two, we can create a continuous cycle of knowledge generation and dissemination, leading to the development and advancement of society.
We invite you to join us in Turku to discuss the challenges and opportunities associating with the relationship between research and education, and the ways we can leverage it to drive progress in wider society.
We look forward to meeting you in Turku in 2024.